All right, what are we looking to do today?
So I know we're going from warm blonde to cool blonde, touch up some of the roots, trying to get some more purple into the hair.
We'll get you nice and light, and we'll aim for like a silver, like a lavender dip, but just like bring it up a little bit more. I'm gonna add some highlights, but I'm also gonna bring it all around the hairline. When you pull your hair forward, you don't have like these darker pockets. We'll brighten up the roots. Maintenance is good. Yeah, okay, let's get started.